Welcome back to the Apex Waves channel. Today we are going to walk you through how to remove LabVIEW Real-Time from a National Instrument cRIO-9082 and install Windows 7 onto the system. Before we begin, it's important to note that this process will overwrite your current LabVIEW Real-Time operating system. Be sure to back any important files or configurations before proceeding. Also, installing Windows 7 on a cRIO-9082 is only recommended for users who have a valid Windows 7 license and driver support ready. For this walkthrough, you will need bootable Windows 7, installation USB drive or CD, keyboard and mouse, monitor connected via VGA port on the cRIO-9082, USB hub if needed, valid Windows 7 license key. Next, connect your keyboard, mouse, and monitor to the cRIO-9082. We'll boot up the cRIO-9082, and as you can see, it is running LabVIEW Real-Time. We'll power it off and then power it on again. Once powering on, we'll immediately press the delete key or F2 key repeatedly to enter the BIOS setup. Once in BIOS, navigate to the LabVIEW RT tab. Change the boot configuration. On next boot to Windows, Other OS. Save your changes and restart the system. It should now boot directly into the Windows 7 installer. Once the Windows 7 installer launches, you are going to select your language, time, and currency format and keyboard preferences and click Next and then Install Now. When prompted, choose Custom Advanced Installation. You will see a list of available drives. Select the current drive with LabVIEW RT installed on it. Click Drive Options Advanced and choose Delete. After formatting, select the drive and proceed with the Windows 7 installation. From this point, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the Windows 7 setup. Once Windows 7 is installed, the computer will restart. You will then create a username and a computer name for your system. Then click Next. Here you can create a password. We're going to skip this step and click Next. The next screen is where you will type in your Windows product key, then click Next. You will then be asked how you would like your updates. We will go with the recommended settings. Now you can set your time zone and date and click Next. And now your cRIO-9082 is running Windows 7. After installing Windows 7, there are a few important steps to fully configure your cRIO-9082, such as install essential device drivers, install any necessary software updates and security patches, verify network connectivity and system performance. Note that you may need specific NI drivers compatible with Windows 7 to access all functionality of the cRIO-9082. You can find any drivers that you need by visiting our drivers page at apexwaves.com. One critical step is enabling the Ethernet port for network access. Out of the box, Windows 7 will not automatically recognize the onboard Ethernet adapter. To use the Ethernet connection, download and install the Intel Network Connection software package. Make sure you get the correct version compatible with Windows 7. Once the Intel drivers are installed, your Ethernet port will become fully functional, allowing you to connect the cRIO-9082 to your network or internet as needed. And that's it! You've successfully removed LabVIEW Real-Time and installed Windows 7 on your cRIO-9082. This setup can be useful for specialized applications that require a Windows operating system directly on your hardware. This concludes our tech tutorial on replacing LabVIEW Real-Time with Windows 7 on a cRIO-9082. If you have any additional questions, please visit our website at apexwaves.com, where our dedicated team is ready to provide the support you need. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product highlights, how-tos, and industry insights.